Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on X last week, published on June 22, 2026, introduces a powerful new approach to autonomous flight. The work is titled SkyJEPA, Learning Long Horizon World Models for Zero-Shot Sim to Real Control of Quadrators. By predicting future states in a structured latent space, this method reduces average position error to 1.4 meters, compared to 8.8 meters for traditional baselines. Figure 1 illustrates the 4 essential properties required for an effective quadrature world model, which simulates how the vehicle behaves over time. First, the model must support long horizon prediction, so that control algorithms can plan safe paths without accumulating drift. Second, the latent states must be interpretable, meaning they map directly to physical metrics. Third, the system must run in real time on embedded hardware for closed-loop feedback. Finally, it needs zero-shot task generalization, which allows the drone to adapt instantly to new environments and payloads. Well, Figure 2 outlines the entire framework, showing how these 4 properties fit together. First, the simulation data synthesis pipeline on the far left generates diverse training trajectories in virtual environments. Next, the Joint Embedding Predictive Architecture Dynamics model encodes the history of states and actions into a compact latent space, where it predicts future representations. A physics-inspired prober then maps these latent representations to actual physical states, using differentiable kinematic integration, which enforces the laws of physics. Finally, this model enables real-time sampling-based control for robust zero-shot flight in the real world. Figure 3 shows the detailed 2-stage training pipeline. First, the latent dynamics model uses temporal convolutional networks to encode histories into latent states, which a gated recurrent unit then propagates forward in time. Second, the physics-inspired latent probing stage trains a multi-layer perceptron on frozen latent embeddings so that it can map them back to physically grounded states using differentiable kinematic integration. Alright, Table 1 details the domain randomization parameters used during the simulation phase to prepare the model for zero-shot transfer. Domain randomization is a technique where physical parameters like mass and aerodynamic drag are randomly altered during training, which helps the controller adapt to real-world differences. Specifically, the simulated quadrature mass varies by plus or minus 50%, and the aerodynamic drag coefficients range from 0.1 to 0.5. Over 500 distinct simulated domains, this automated pipeline generates 20,000 unique trajectories to build a highly robust dataset. While Table 1 detailed the simulation parameters, Table 3 evaluates the resulting model's open-loop prediction accuracy against 5 alternative approaches. Open-loop prediction, which means forecasting future paths without relying on real-time sensory corrections, is highly sensitive to compounding errors. The standard predictive baseline suffers from severe drift, resulting in a high-position root mean squared error of 8.8 meters. In contrast, the full proposed method, combining the joint embedding predictive architecture with the physics-inspired prober, reduces this error to just 1.4 meters and maintains an attitude error of under 5 degrees. Table 4 summarizes the real-world closed-loop tracking results, which evaluate the controller's zero-shot transfer capability directly on the physical quadrature. The proposed method consistently achieves the lowest position tracking error across all 5 tested trajectories. For instance, on the circle path, the position error is only 0.24 meters, compared to 0.39 meters for the standard baseline. Similarly, the attitude tracking error is significantly reduced, keeping the error to just under 11 degrees on the fish trajectory, while the standard baseline drifts to nearly 23 degrees. SkyJEPA proves that predicting in a structured latent space, combined with a physics-inspired prober, successfully prevents compounding errors in autonomous flight. This breakthrough enables highly reliable, zero-shot sim to real transfer without requiring risky real-world training. And that is a wrap. I am Alex from the AI Research Roundup, and I appreciate you tuning in.